Hi there. In this video, I am going to show you how you can solve the write protection error. Whenever you try to format your USB device, it says the disk is write protected, whereas no write protection is applied to the device. So let's fix it. You just need these two files to fix the problem. One is setup file and the other is disk image file. Link is in the description. First let's install the setup file. Open it. Make sure that you run it as administrator. Otherwise it will not work. Here you can see, it already detected the USB device. Now select the disk image file. Now click on Write. Click Yes. You can see here, the write is successful. If it not works the first time, just click Write again and you'll be fine. Now let's format it again and see. Now it's working. I am sure your problem will be solved. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you later, alligator.